How to log in with Facebook in Clash of Clans. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you exactly how to log in with Facebook in Clash of Clans. This is a great way to keep your progress safe and easily recover your account if you ever switch devices. First, I just want to note at this point that it's not actually possible to log in with Facebook at the moment. Hopefully, in the future, this is something that will be added. However, for now, if you want to save your progress, you can do so by creating a Supercell ID. So, to create a Supercell ID on Clash of Clans, tap the settings icon in the bottom right corner. A window will appear. If you look at the top, you'll see it says Supercell ID Disconnected. We need to change that. Tap the blue Disconnected button. This brings to the sign-up screen. Skip login for existing accounts and focus on creating a new Supercell ID. Tap the register link, then the blue Continue button. First, enter a valid email address you can access. This is crucial for account verification. Once you've entered your email, tap the Register button below. A verification code will be sent to your email. Check your inbox, grab that code, and enter it here. Then tap Submit. A message pops up saying that your game account is now connected to Supercell ID. You can access it anytime from the Settings menu. Tap OK to continue. Now choose a name for your Supercell ID account. After entering your name, tap Continue. Finally, select an avatar and background color, then tap Continue. We're back in the game, and your progress is securely saved with Supercell ID. As mentioned earlier, at the moment, you cannot currently log in with Facebook. However, hopefully, in the future, that is something that will be added. Supercell ID offers similar benefits to Facebook and may be more secure in the long run. And this is how to save your progress on Clash of Clans with Supercell ID. If you have any questions about Clash of Clans, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.